I'm Doug Johnson with the Bonneville Power Administration. I'm in Sedro Woolley, Washington, about 50 miles north of Seattle, where the Bonneville Power Administration is working in partnership with the Upper Skagit Indian Tribe here on the Monroe-Custer 500 kV right-of-way to convert what once was a right-of-way overgrown with blackberries and other brush into habitat that's suitable for elk. By converting the plants on this right-of-way to a lower growing species, the Bonneville Power Administration is protecting the reliability of its system. The plants that used to be here had the potential to grow very tall and get very close to the lines. That can cause big problems on an electrical system and take lines out of service. That can't happen here now. Doing the elk habitat restoration also gave the tribe the opportunity to plant local, low-growing native species like this plant, which will provide better shade to keep this creek bed cooler, which is better for fish. Another benefit of the project is to help avoid a dangerous situation for people in elk. Just about a half a mile south of where the project's going on is State Highway 20, which is just behind me. If we can keep elk grazing on the right-of-way, they'll be less likely to wander across Route 20 to try and find food, which will help keep people and elk safe.
The project began in October of 2009 with a right-of-way clearing of blackberries, big leaf maple, and various other vegetation. In the spring we followed up the mowing with a hydro seed application, and now the right-of-way is in condition that is conducive to elk forage and grazing.
Well, this project is part of our overall goal to increase the viability of the Nooksack elk herd through forage enhancement plots. We've been looking at some other parcels that we owned, and this opportunity came by to partnership with the BPA and Sierra Pacific, and we jumped right on it. Our goal is to provide wintering habitat forage for the elk on these lower benches, and to give them feed to keep them from foraging in the lower valley. We have a lot of elk human disturbances occurring in the lower Skagit Valley, and our goal is to keep these elk above 200 to 300 feet above sea level. We're looking at some elk tracks here. They've been utilizing the site already, but I think we're going to see more activity as the year progresses. They're a little weathered right now. It's been raining off and on the last few days. Part of our overall goal to have a viable herd here for the tribe and for others to use, and opportunities for people to view elk and deer, and just to have the wildlife here for future generations.
BPA operates transmission lines on 8,500 miles of rights-of-way across the Northwest. This is a great example of a creative, collaborative project that helps us protect the reliability of our system and will provide great cultural benefits for one of our most important partners. More importantly, this will provide economic and cultural benefits for both the Bonneville Power Administration and the Upper Skagit Tribe for years to come. For more information about projects like these, you can visit our website at www.bpa.gov.